Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook beef tongue. First, ensure your beef tongue is thoroughly cleaned under cold running water. Take a moment to trim away any noticeable excess fat or connective tissue from the base. Once cleaned, place the tongue into a large pot and completely submerge it with water, ready for the initial cooking phase. To infuse flavor and achieve tenderness, add aromatic vegetables such as a whole onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks to the pot. Don't forget to include a few bay leaves, a teaspoon of whole peppercorns, and a tablespoon of salt. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for approximately 3 to 4 hours, or until fork tender. Once the tongue is cooked to perfection, carefully remove it from the pot and allow it to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. This slight cooling makes the next step much easier. While it's still warm, peel off the tough outer skin. It should come off quite readily. Finally, slice the tender, cooked tongue against the grain into thin, manageable pieces, about 1/4 inch thick, ready for your chosen dish. Now that your beef tongue is beautifully cooked and sliced, it's time to enjoy. Serve it warm, perhaps with a flavorful sauce or a rich gravy. It's incredibly versatile and can be used in delicious tacos, hearty sandwiches, or as a unique main course. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, perfect for another meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.